My friends, I come here to come help you understand the formulas wey you need to carry solve things for logarithms and then comot go your way. So if you see say logarithm dey hard you, na this particular place you go fit enjoy logarithm. First thing wey I wan do na to show you the laws of logarithms. Now, when I show you the laws finish, I'll come give you one or two formulas and other tips wey go help you for logarithms. Then you no go get issue again. Now, remember say these things dem plenty, and if students no pay at ten tion, wahala don burst. The first law wey I wan give you now na wetin dey call product law. If you wan call am product law, know am. If you wan call am multiplication law, know am. Wetin the law dey talk about? The law say if you get log, make we use different alphabet of variables. If I get maybe log m to base a plus log wetin we use? If we use n to base wetin? Make we use same a because we dey deal with product law. Remember say I go dey reverse am o. The result to this one be say if e get say e dey add, multiply this mn. Most textbook go start am with that product wey I tell you. E go come give you log m times n, give you mn. Then the base then common, just take one of them. So that means if you see log m times n to base a, the result will be, you go split them. The logarithms of m to base a, logarithms of m to base a plus logarithms of n to base a. Now this thing will result to this one. Now this one will result to this one. So that means if you see them in this form, if you take them to this point, if you see them in this particular point, if you take them to this point, I just reverse them. Sometimes they give you log 6. If they give you log 6 to base 3, what you go do? Just say log 6 now waiting 2 times 3 to this same base 3. If you can split this one to be log 2 base 3 plus log 3 base 3. You see what I tell you? I tell you now. If you give you like this, log 2 base 3 plus log 3 base 3. See if I can find this one now. What I go do? I go just say, okay, since they get the same base, what I will do, I will just multiply 2 by 3 to give me 6 and take the log of this common base. Don't give me this guy with that. It's just how they reverse them now. That be the first law. We no go carry play. The second one, a product law, na a division law or quotient. Quotient law. Remember, if you don't call them quotient, call them division. Now the same thing, no. If you want to make it easier for you, even call them division law. Because I'm here to come here to come stress you. I want to make you understand these things well. And if you know now the first time they come from my channel, you never subscribe, check now. Just hit that subscribe button. If you see that, it will be like bell, turn it on. When you turn it on, select all. So that anytime I post, you will receive notification. And hit the like button, quick. Do and make we continue now. And when I finish the video, share them more. Make we continue so that other students like you will learn too. For this particular division law, if you get the log of m divided by n to a certain base, say base a. Anytime they divide, they subtract. Remember, when you multiply, and they add. And be the way you carry for head. So this one will give you log m to base a minus log n to base a. Remember, say it must not be m, n, and a, or if it be x, y, if it be different thing. So make you just know that one. So this one now, if I see a question like this, give me log of something like to a certain base minus another one like this. As I say minus, I will just say that division. I will just say this one divide by this and take the common base. If the base then they common. Now what you go do? This one, if you change it to this one, if you change it to this one, then be division law. For example, if I get something like this, log 4 divided by 2 base 2, what you go do? Talk now. Talk to me now. What you go do? Now you talk. Log waiting 4 base 2 minus log waiting. This one we under 2 base 2. From here now, I come begin the solve and they go. I just show you how the law they run them. So now the last one where I want to show you now, the one we call the power law. I don't know whether I will clean the first one. Write them down because I won't clean. If I don't clean them before, just take the video back and watch them again. You did there. I will lie for you. You did there now. So the third law, now power law. How this power law they even work, self? It's simple, though. If I get log a to the power of x to base b. I don't change things, but at the same thing. Anything we say log a to a particular power fit be anything. Make sure say that power carry and come in front of this logarithm. Now be wetin I want show you, so equal to x log a base b. Now wetin you go do with that? So if I give you log 3 to the power of 5 base 3, say me you solve this thing. First thing first, you gonna say your answer na 5. Carry that 5 come front of logarithm log 3 base 3. Then come dey talk about this one, which na the next thing I want to do now. So now I don show you the 3 basic rules of logarithms wey you suppose know. Every other thing I wan tell you na tips wey you need to understand or formulas wey you need to know. But one of the things I want me to note be say the logarithms of a number, say a to a certain base, the same number to a certain base, a will be 1. Log a base a, even na x base x, the logarithm of a number to the same base, like the number wey you put there, the base na the same thing with the number, na 1. So yeah, now let me tell you now, say the answer will be 5 because 5 times log 3 base 3 be 1. Log a base a na 1. As I can give 5. E enter be. Now we try to try let you know now. You know, so I no go mind you now. So one of the things wey dey very important. In case some question wey they fit give you for exam, say wetin be the value of, wetin be the answer of log 1? Log 1 is equal to wetin? Put that for comment section. I'll come comment section and see. No cheat, just put that for comment section. So the next thing I want to show you now be say if you say logarithm of 100, they say wetin be log 100. They don't come give you base. Now wetin I want make you note. Note that a logarithm without no base, e automatically dey operate on base 10. Put am down. Logarithm wey no get base, when they give you the question, automatically dey operate on base 10. So if they ask me wetin be log 100, I go say the answer na 2. How? Because log 100 na same thing as log 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2 na 10 times 10, maybe 100. Abi? So now, I tell you say logarithm wey no get base, e get automatic base 10. This one na, e no form power law wey you sabi na. So carry 2 come front, e come be 2 log 10 base 10. Wetin be log 10 base 10? If you know log a, you see how the thing dey connect? Log a base a na 1. Log 10 base 10 go be 1. 1 times 2 na 2. Shey you see say the thing simple? Na so you don't like the video finally? Yeah, it's simple now. So make we do another one. Make do another one. I check whether my mic dey on, so that make I no go on the day and you no go know say I know I fit don go, you no go know. So okay, wetin be the next thing we want to do? Very simple. If you get something like this for logarithms, let's say they say log m is x equal to a. I want to run am. Just say wetin you go do now, x to the power of a equal to m. M be the answer. This one will give you x to the power of a equal to m. So if I give you log 3 base 5 equal to x, what you go do for me now? 5 raised to the power of x equal to 3. Sure you understand? You understand? Now, you get what they call change of base of logarithms. Let I just teach you. Now be the last thing I will do before I come out. But I don't do question plenty for this particular channel on logarithms. So question plenty. So before this video will end, you will see say you go to pop up. Just Google the watch how they apply this thing. You understand? Make sure to share this particular video. So you want what they call change of base of logarithms. How that one they be? If I get these ones. If I get something like log, make I create numbers now. Log maybe m base a plus log p base x. You see say the base no be the same now. No be the same again. The number of the logarithm will be the same, but I just want to put different things so that you can understand how this one work. So if you give you this kind of how I want to take solve for this change of base of logarithm, see the formula. The first thing you will do, first take this one as the logarithm of m to base a plus this one will be the leading base. So what I will do now, I will take this log. I'm not going to talk about the m again. No. Log of base a. I will use and relate with p and x. log of base A, use and relate with P and S. How I want to take relate am? I go say, remember I say log of base A, I will take P, yeah, log of P base A over log of X base A. So you can also say log of base A will be the leading log of the base. Then these two things where they are now can I improve for up and down. So when you see change of base of logarithm, like this, you solve. For example, I don't solve question here. You go say I'm go pop up now. This question where I talk now, it will pop up now. But you go see another one we go there like if I get log, let's say log of maybe x to base, let me say x squared to base x plus log maybe 8 to 16 like this. Because me is solver. First thing we go do, we just say this one will be equal to everything there, repeat them. Log x squared is x plus, remember logarithm of base x, use and relate with 16 and 8. We want to say logarithm of 16 base x over logarithm of 8 base x. Then from here, begin to solve your stuff to get answer. Normally, now carry this one come back. This one split them to be 2 to the power of 4, so 2 to the power of 3. Then carry them, still they come back. When you know, you don't they solve it. I just form them, maybe say, I know the question. So I hope you don't enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy the video. I mean, because we are not finished like this. So if you get anything I know, remember to tell you for logarithms, put them for comment section, make other follow learn. Now why we come here now to come make sure say we share knowledge. I hope you find this one, subscribe, like, share. Peace and love.